Hey Couch Crazies, it's Alex with CouchDotCom. So you're interested in ordering a couch that has a few different fabric options or is custom made, and you're thinking about whether or not to order fabric samples. My expert opinion is do it. Here are a few great tips about ordering fabric samples. Fabric samples arrive far quicker than you think they might. Almost every single company that offers fabric samples will find a way to get it to you in 1 week or less. If it takes any longer than that, they're not doing their job. Most companies will do that because they have an incentive to get them to you quickly before you go to another company and buy something else. So if you're worried about your fabric samples taking too long and delaying the process, check on the page where you're ordering them or check with the company that you're ordering them from to see how long they're going to take. Chances are it's going to take only a few days and you shouldn't have to wait very long at all. Another great tip for ordering fabric samples is that you're able to actually test the fabrics against stain resistance, durability. A lot of customers will get fabric samples and quite literally they will spill things on them, whether it's coffee, red wine, yogurt. They'll put some things on there just to see if they can clean them off, because it literally is the exact same fabric they're going to get on their couch. People see fabric samples generally as a way to just match a color to another one. That's not the case. You're literally getting a piece of that actual fabric, so you can have your cat scratch it, grab the paw, scratch, 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 and see what happens. It can really reveal a lot about a fabric's durability or stain resistance by just testing it out. Taking a more conventional approach, ordering fabric samples is great because it allows you to match to other pieces in your home. Now, when you're doing that, you want to consider all the different options or things that you might need to match to, and customers don't think about this a lot. A lot of times they're saying to themselves, I'm going to order fabric samples so I can match it to my existing chair or rug. But think about other things like the color of your curtains or the color of your walls. There may be other colors in the room for you to tie it into that may make that color that you're interested in make a little bit more sense. If you're considering getting a bolder color or something that you haven't tried before, like an orange or a pink or a green, you can just go for it. However, I would definitely recommend ordering fabric samples first because why not? It's a bold color, it's a big choice, and it's probably going to be a big change in your living room or your home. So why not order fabric samples just to make sure that hot pink does match your favorite bikini?